Oh my god. No, no. Just wait. Should we? I can't hit them up there. No, let them walk. Okay, shoot him. Shoot him.
2,
3. Do it, but don't look at them. Look that way. Should we shoot them?
Okay.
There's no way. Yeah, Jane, I aimed on that one. I can't. This thing doesn't. Okay. Let him get in. Don't call it too soon. Wait. Let him get in. Oh my god. No, no. Just wait. Should we? I can't hit them up there. No, let him walk. Okay, shoot him. Shoot him.
2,
3, 4.
They're not done yet.
Oh my god, I could have shot him. Jades. It's good for out there. Are you kidding me?
Oh shit, Jaden, shoot him.
I thought I had him, but we got 3 from out there. Dude, that's not bad. Well, they went out a little far. He's good, Rye. They short-stopped us, but they were just close enough. But this thing's got a modified choke, and they got full chokes. So they probably killed those. I'm probably not killing anything with this thing at this range. Right, I'm gonna shoot it. Stop. I had no choice. Thanks for landing, buddy. Appreciate it. Boys, run! They're gonna come back, okay? That was bad luck. Get ready to shoot at somebody. I'm not shooting it, okay?
You got this?
Jaden, back him up. I'm videoing.
I'm videoing.
Yeah, give it to him, give it to him, give it to him, give it to him. Get ready. Shoot him now, shoot him now. Nice shot, Jades. Okay. Let's go, I'll get him for you. I'll get him for you.
Go quick, go quick. We got birds moving around.
Look at this honker, Jades is a big boy. Good shooting, Jades. Let's go. Hey. Watch the shotguns.
If we come over ahead, then you gotta call out early.
Yeah. Easy, Jades. Are they coming down? Oh yeah, Jades, don't call it. Don't call it. Don't call it. Just wait. Shoot him now, shoot him now, shoot him, shoot him. Wait, 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 wait. Wait, don't move, don't move.
Wait.
Shoot him now. Stop. They didn't quite do it, boys, but that's okay.
Well, we shouldn't have really gone.
We should have let
Gene,
them
get down, 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 down. They're coming back, they're coming back. There's no more coming to the left. To Two on the right, Jace, yeah. Get ready to shoot. There, Jades. Oh, yep. Oh my God, I got him, Jades. Did you see that shot? Look at, oh my God. Jaden, I shot that bird out there and it crippled, it actually undialed it. Not a cripple. He was stone dead. Let's go. Let's go.
Wake is shooting, boys.
Jason, the camera's on, right? Look at it.
Yeah.
Let's go. Let's go.
Hey, let's go, eh?
Hey, let's go, eh? Can I see? Yeah, okay. Well, that was a lot of some hectic action for a second there. How many did we get there? 6? We had 5. We got 5 more. We could have had more, but those ones behind us, we couldn't shoot till they were a little bit further here, hey? That's okay. Dude, we still, like, now we're at where we were the other day. Opening day, let's go, baby. The day's not even over yet. Like, come on.
It's still morning.
Exactly.
PA.
Nice bud. Or nice
PA.
bird, bud.
PA.
Unreal. PA. Let's go, boys.
Nice shooting.
Hey, hey.
PA.
Jades.
PA.
PA.
Somewhere to buy a dress. We're decoying birds, all right. Let me tell you.
Those ones were a little bit of a pass shoot, but that's all right. They were close enough.
If we were back in the spread, we would have had those other 4.
Oh yeah. Yeah, dude, I'm shaking right now.
Oh man.
I couldn't get my gun loaded, Jades. I was like 2 minutes, like a minute or whatever it was, trying to get shells. I'm trying to open the bag and open the box to get shells. Yeah. And I had to put shells in when you guys called it. That's why I shot it at the last second.
Well, I did not feel like they were gonna come in.
Let's go. Huh?
I didn't feel like they were gonna come in.
No. Let's go.
The other birds were like that. It's not too bad. How many?
Not too bad. 11.
We're back to 11?
No. 10. No, I can't tell. Well, let's count them. Ready? Don't move.
From which side?
Right. Don't shoot, don't shoot, don't shoot, don't shoot, don't shoot, don't shoot, don't shoot. Don't shoot. Just wait. Just wait.
Shoot. That's what I'm talking about.
Okay.
You got that? You got that? Hey.
Hey.
Is that on film?
Yeah,
let
it
me
is.
see it. Yeah.
Yeah.
Nice talking to you. Nice talking to you.
We almost shot them on the way. We got up and they didn't see us and they came right in.
That could have been.
I got up to shoot.
Hey.
And I'm like, you guys didn't get up. I'm looking. Also, they start spinning.
I
I
know.
was like, how do we get back in?
Seriously though, I'm sorry for ringing you, but I gave you earplugs. Oh yeah, I know. Holy.
There we go, boys. We beat our opening day.
We beat our record.
No way. Beat the opening day. I'm shaking. Yeah, we should get back to the blinds just in case. Come on. Give me, don't move. Wait. 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 And shoot those, boys.
2 in 1 shot, boy.
Watch this. Oh no. Oh no. Wait, boys. Dude, I could have shot so many more times. Let's shoot him. Jade, shoot that one. Shoot him again.
Shoot the other one. Shoot the other one.
Wait. Boys, is this thing on? Yes.
Grab it.
Yes.
Land it. Boys. Flag.
Don't move.
Come on.
Well, today's day 3 of early season goose hunting. First day you've seen, we got 11. Came out the next night, got 1. But we were setting up our geese for a picture. Had 14, and Jane said he thought he heard geese, and all of a sudden from the left here, a big flock of what? 10, 15? I don't know, I'm shaking. I can't. I'm like this right now. But they came in like, did they come straight in or did they circle around? I can't remember.
No, they peeled off that way, along here. And then when they got to like the opening just before the trees, I was like, flag them!
Oh
and
yeah.
you flagged them.
And then I flagged
and they
them
turned on a
over here.
dime.
And they turned on a dime and came right in here and I shot, you got a double, I've got a double. Ryan's gun jammed. I thought I didn't have another shell in, so I ejected a shell when I could have shot one. And by the time we could have shot, they were already like kind of in by by the owner's house that's behind us here. We only have like a window to shoot here, but it's quite a big window.
Yeah. There's rye bread. Looking for wads. Pick up your shells, guys. Pick your shells up.
But yeah, so this is probably the end of the video. I'm not sure, but
I gotta drop the kids off at the pool. So.
yeah, and if you like this video, leave a like, subscribe if you want to, if you like the videos, and we're gonna be back at it next weekend, I'll tell you right now. There's gonna be more videos. So hit the subscribe and the notification bell so you get notified when we got videos coming up, okay? Bye, Brett.
PACKOF.